Candied pecans come together quickly and make great homemade gifts for the holidays. These candied pecans are topped with cinnamon and sugar and are great to have around the house for snacking, adding to a salad, or you can even top baked goods with them like pumpkin pies and cakes. These pecans smell amazing when baking, and if you do not have pecans or do not like them, you can easily switch these out to another type of nuts like almonds. Welcome back, or if you're new here, my name is Kate and this is Bake That. In a large bowl, add 1 egg white and 1 tablespoon of water and whisk together for about 2 to 3 minutes or until frothy. Add 2½ cups of unsalted pecan halves to the bowl, stirring until every pecan is fully coated. The water and egg white will help hold the cinnamon sugar mixture, so make sure all pecans are covered. You can easily switch out pecans for almonds, peanuts, or cashews, or any other type of nut you like. In a separate bowl, add a ½ cup of granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Whisk together until everything is combined. Pour all of the cinnamon sugar mixture over the pecans. Stir until all of the pecans are covered. Feel free to add more ground cinnamon or any other type of spice you think would go well on these. Transfer the pecans to a lined baking sheet. Spread the pecans out, making sure each one is lying flat on the baking sheet. Learn how to make other homemade gifts like 4 different types of cookies in a jar in the link above or in the video description below. In a 225° Fahrenheit preheated oven, bake these pecans for 1 hour, stirring every 15 minutes. Let these candied pecans cool completely before storing in an airtight container. Thank you so much for watching. Come back next week to bake more good things.